If you've ever been to Latin America, you have likely seen milk stored at room temperature with an expiration date 10 years out. There are no preservatives listed on the bottle. Does it come from mutant cows? Will I die if I drink this milk? To get to the bottom and separate truth from bullshit. That's a loving mom. I'm visiting a family farm here in Loma Plata, Paraguay, as well as sitting down with head of Trebol's Christian Harder to ask even harder hitting questions.
Maybe half an hour.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So I guess we're not sitting down.
If you want to give a shelf life from 4 to 6 months at room temperature, there are 3 conditions.
So before you, nothing was here.
There was nothing.
The Kehler family, they actually live in the middle of the Paraguayan Chaco desert. It's the real-life Cooper farm from Interstellar. It's just not a very good environment to raise milking cows. You guys figured out, like, if you cool down the cows, you get more than twice the amount of milk. Am I wrong?
More than twice. Whole building is an average of
34 liters per cow. That's 16 giant Coke bottles of milk per day.
That helps it get into hot temperature of their body. That's their favorite time of the day.
It's clear, I can tell because they're already lining up. They're like, when's my turn? Can I pet one or not? Okay. What makes an all-star milking cow? Like, how do you get a cow that's in the 60s?
That all starts with their genetics from they were born, the treatment. They got good development in their young ones.
The cleanness from the milk is very, very important.
Cow handers
gets disinfected, and then they first touch your milk, they take it out.
Okay.
That's where most of the germs are.
The more bacterial come, the more dirtier the milk comes from the farmer, desto more survive as well. The farmer get a bonus, the less bacteria they have.
The dry is on there,
Yeah.
and it keeps the tip closed,
Okay.
so the germs don't get in. It's like a silicone base, nothing gets in.
This packaging.
This milk carton has
8
layers.
Not even oxygen, air, bacterial can enter afterwards to destroy the milk.
Pretty soon you start counting, you'll see how
So those trucks, they go out to all the farms
every day.
So what happens if it rains? Are they driving on those muddy roads?
Yeah, they have other tries.
That's incredible. At the factory, the milk is heated up to 140 degrees Celsius, and this kills 99.9% of the bacteria. This process is known as UHT milk. There are no preservatives used at all. Why don't we use UHT milk in the USA? That's actual poop. It's used as fertilizer out here. We actually do. About 80% of the organic milk sold in the USA is UHT milk.
It's just good old-fashioned whole milk.
And it leads to a lot less food waste. You're only here for 30 more years.
30 years, what do you leave behind, right?